This is the Williams Motorsports flagship board on carbon fiber. The attention to detail is impeccable here. Um, just the color coding of the wires, it actually utilizes a combination of standard relays of the highest quality and also that of the solid state relays. This is an MSD version. Really nice. It's the high current piece where it's 35 amps per relay, which can be in parallel with each other. And then you notice here, once again, this is the output side of it. This is the color coded piece. It's got the dual centralized positive and negative post on the board, and it's incorporated the MSD grid system into the entire package, which makes for a very nice installation. Very simplified. The color coding is the same as MSD originally wanted it to be. It's the setup where you can easily terminate to each one of the connections, and then it has a centralized fuse location for quick troubleshooting and things of that nature. So once again, Williams Motorsports, your place to be if you want that higher performance. Thanks.